Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a chicken tandoori. Enjoy.
Chicken tandoori is very famous among Indian Malaysian cuisine. You can almost find it in every Indian restaurant or Indian Muslim restaurant. Continue watching the video if you want to know how to make them. Enjoy! Firstly, the most important part is to prepare 8 part of chicken. Depends on you. This recipe is specifically for 8 part of chicken. You can use thigh, chicken wing and others. Then you are going to prepare 1.5 tablespoon of gram masala, 4 tablespoon of chili powder, about 2.5 lime juice, you can use lemon, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 2 or 3 drops of red coloring, 1 cup of natural yogurt, you can use Greek, more recommended, 5 stem of parsley, 1 onion and 2 centimeter of garlic. Then this ingredient you are going to blend. I use pestle and mortar to give it a little bit of classic look. And then you are going to score the chicken because you want the flavor to get inside the chicken, because after this you are going to marinate for about an hour, or some could go for 24 hours. Here's my additional tips. When you want to be quick in terms of marinade, I put chicken cube to give an extra flavor. Once you add the chicken cube, you don't need to add too much salt because the chicken cube is already salty. Then we add the gram masala, mix a little bit, make sure the gram masala gets inside the part where you score. And then you add chili and the ingredients that you just blend, and you add yogurt, mix them well. Then you are going to add lime juice. This one it depends on you. If you like it a little bit sour, then you can add more. And then you add 2 or 3 drops of coloring. I don't prefer too much bright, so I just add 2 or 3 colors, drop of colors. Once you're done, you cover and chill. Make sure you cover them well and chill it for 1 hour. Alright, so you're almost done. So we'll be right back. By the time it reach 1 hour, the last 15 minutes you are going to preheat the oven for about 150 degrees at 15 minutes. Do note that I have extra thermometer to guide on my correct temperature. Take out your marinade chicken. Then you are going to grease the oven pan to prevent them from the chicken to stick on the pan, and also to promote them to cook well. Place the chicken on top of the pan. Then I put the extra marinade balance and I brush the ghee on top of it. Do note that my temperature is at 150, but you can see the oven is at below 200 degree, so it's not accurate. So always follow your temperature. Then you are going to place your chicken at the topmost part of the oven because you are going to broil them for 30 minutes estimated. See, on top of it. Once they are cooked, you can take out and eat it. Enjoy with your family. Thank you, and please subscribe if you like this channel.